Good afternoon, everybody. It's Andrew here with Giordano's Garage. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, what I'm going to be doing on this DR string trimmer is we're going to be taking a look at the battery, because if I turn this model has a key. If I turn it, it doesn't want to do anything. So that's telling me. But if I do the pull cord, then it'll start. So the model number of this guy is right here. It's 103M050065F1. So I hope if this video is helpful for you guys, you'll subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment down below. All right, well, let's get started. So the battery for this guy is going to be in the back of the machine. You can see it's got the negative and the positive cable. So first thing, we're gonna take these off. Well, next we're gonna have these two bolts on the back, and they're gonna be, what is this? This is a 10 millimeter. Facing the wrong direction. So there's also the one on the left side of the machine here, if I can get in there. Yeah, let me try. There we go. I just have a closed end box wrench here. And now I have a little off center. Now I have both of them off. So we'll take the battery off like that. And then let's see, so here's the battery. So let me just go get my little ohm meter, and then we'll test this battery, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be dead. Good news, everybody. I found my ohm meter. So we're gonna test this battery. And so I have my ohm meter right here, and I'm gonna turn it to the 20 DC. And this is a 12 volt battery here, so it should read somewhere close to that, maybe just under. Let's see if this battery is actually dead or alive. So we'll put the grounding terminal on the negative side, and where is it? And then the hot lead on the other side. So we're at 11.88. Come back to the machine real quick, and then we're gonna put the battery back where it belongs. Turn off our ohm meter. And then we are going to find our battery cover that we definitely still have somewhere around us. Come back. We're gonna slip this back on top. Okay, there we go. All right. And then remember, it's going to be 10 millimeters on both sides, but we just want to try to... Oh, I'm way too close. You can't see that at all. We got that on, and we're going to just hand tighten this at first, just to make sure we aren't cross-threading. just gonna tighten this all the way. I have that one tightened down. Now we're gonna tighten this one down. Perfect. And then we're just gonna reconnect the hot and cold terminals here, the ground and hot terminal. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, again, I hope you'll subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment down below, and I will see you all next time. Bye.